Welcome again to Budget with Brian. You know, I recently reviewed my brand new 10.8 Makita SDS. I hadn't worked with it yet, but I've had an occasion to use that on my new project recently, going through solid concrete block. Now, as it happens, I've had a couple of inquiries saying, what's that? What does it compare to the standard combination battery drill? Well, I've got two set up here, and we can see. I can tell you that when I was on site, there was a world of difference. Now, we can't do it exact like for like, because you could argue that the bit that's in the SDS is better than the bit that's in the combination drill, but I don't think that's realistic. I've used an SDS bit in the combination drill, so let's see how they both compare. So first of all, here was a Makita with only a 1.5 amp hour battery, and there it is with a 6mm SDS drill fitted. Watch this. So here's my concrete block. It's a 7.3 Newton meter concrete block, solid and dense. So here we go. And as you can see, that's fairly impressive. Now, if I use my Bosch with hammer action, it's got an SDS bit fitted. This is another 6mm SDS bit. It's on hammer. Let's see what this one does. Battery's gone. The battery's gone, but as you can see, at that particular moment in time, it would get there with enough pressure behind it, but nothing like the speed. It's always the case, right tool for the right job. An SDS, concrete. This, brick, maybe, but not concrete is my view. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Thank you for your question, and don't forget, you subscribe now.